In lesson 9.6, we're going to take a look at the area of a circle. So first, it's important to know the formula. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So pi times the radius squared. Remember, the radius goes from the center to the edge, so that's your radius. So let's go ahead and try an example. Find the area of a circle with diameter 18 inches. And it says to use 3.14 as pi, but remember, we're going to leave our answers in pi form, meaning we're going to keep the little pi symbol in our answer. So remember from 9.5 that the radius is half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 18 inches, that means the radius is half of 18, or 9 inches. So, okay, so we're going to actually skip this part. We're going to do our own little area over here. So area equals pi times the radius squared. And now we know that the radius is 9, so I do 9 squared, which is 81. And while it's not wrong to leave your answer like that, it looks nicer to put the number in front of the pi, and then of course do not forget your units. Inches, and because it's area, we square the units. There we go. Okay, so we're going to leave all of our answers in pi form. Okay, so don't multiply the 3.14. So now you're going to try the quick checks. And while it says use 3.14 for pi, we're going to ignore that. Leave answers in pi form. Okay, so go ahead and do those quick checks, and when you're ready, move on to the next part. Okay, another example here, we're going to, again, do our own work here. So I'm going to cross all this out. And we're not going to use 22 over 7 for pi. So find the area of a circular flower bed with a radius of 7. So again, pi times the radius squared. Our radius is 7. 7 squared is 49, so I'm going to write my answer as 49 pi. Don't forget units, feet squared. And that's it. So area of a circle is a lot better if you leave everything in pi form. Okay, so in the quick check here, find the area of a pizza with a 14-inch diameter. So be careful, they gave you the diameter. You are not going to use 22 over 7 as pi. You're going to leave your answer in pi form. Okay, but remember that you're given the diameter and you need the radius. So first you have to figure out the radius and then use it to find the area. I will check your work in class.